The high level of drug abuse remains a problem at present, specifically students. As the physical, social, and psychological home away from home for most of them, schools assume a primary role in substance abuse education, prevention, and identification. With this, the Department of Education strengthens the awareness and preventive measures in the school by implementing the Barkada Contra Droga. DepEd Order Number 12 Series of 2009 provides a comprehensive idea about the implementation of National Drug Education Program or NDEP. With this, the school intensifies its awareness and intervention to drug abuse components like curriculum and instruction, co-curricular and ancillary services, teacher and staff development, and parent education and community outreach. For school year 2018-2019, Surigao City National High School has participated and initiated activities to fully implement its BKD programs through the support of the faculty and staff, students, and public and private stakeholders. Anchored from its tagline, "We serve with commitment, honesty, responsibility, integrity, and transparency," or Christ, the school never forgets its role towards achieving a drug-free school community. Surigao City National High School in its hope to instill values and good character to students, provide a new experience of spiral learning through its lesson integration, which brings and encourages them of positive values and behavior. Teachers have continued its excellence of awareness and education on substance use and drug use through its LAC sessions and conferences. Since the inclusion of BKD lesson has been a practice, teachers were equipped already on implementation of NDEP. The BKD officers have also initiated different activities which intensified its plans on instruction through the conduct of room-to-room campaign on drug abuse. Anchored on its annual BKD plans, different projects were initiated. The Project Act or Achieve Change Through Triumph aimed at developing and strengthening responsibility among students, especially in taking care of our green environment. It has intensified and supported the ecological solid waste management program of the school and conducted activities like the Stop, Drop, Recycle, Uplan Kuha Papel, Plastics and Cellophanes, and Papera sa Basura ng BKD. These activities envision learners of Surigao City National High School to be socially and economically responsible towards our environment, which in effect minimizes the amount of plastics and cellophanes in school, and in return will produce products or densifiers in exchange with the plastics collected. On the other hand, the BKD officers strengthen its relationship with God through its Project Alert or the Active Learners Enforcement Remedy towards Triumph. The annual recollection activity, group counseling, and other interfaith services were conducted to build faith and character among students, faculty and staff, and community partners. In partnership also with the school's religious coordinator and barangay parish, it has conducted annual Living Rosary and monthly Mass. The Project LST or Life Skills Training was also conducted to build environmental stewardship and equip students with life skills training and human relationship through tree planting, physical fitness or the Pro Sports program, and symposia on reproductive health and child pornography and mental health awareness. In a school like Surigao City National High School, having life skills training is fighting stress and frustration. It is with this project that students are provided with the basic social, mental, and physical skills ready for the changing environment. The Project Safe or Stop Addiction for Everyone aimed at raising awareness and education among students and parents through its school-wide dissemination, campaign through the support of the Philippine National Police, putting up of signage and distribution of campaign materials relevant to drug abuse. To educate students on drug use prevention, teachers attended school symposia, Run for Peace, and Basura Fun Run in cooperation with the City Anti-Drug Abuse Council and Barangay Drug Abuse Council. Teachers continuously reiterate to students the effects of smoking, using drugs, and drinking alcohol. With the help also of the BKD officers, each classroom was visited and informed on the involvement of teenagers with illegal drugs. Surigao City National High School promotes education and information in drug abuse prevention and control, not only to students but also to parents and community partners in freeing them from violence, fear, and other substance abuse. The conduct of the drug symposium and the participation of the parents and teachers to these activities signify their commitment to live a healthy and drug-free lifestyle. The school was indeed grateful for this opportunity in providing a greater and wider knowledge to students concerning drug abuse. With this, Surigao City National High School, as one secondary school implementing the Barkada Contra Droga, is consistent to its crusade against illegal drugs, smoking, and alcohol addiction since its establishment. With the support of the students, parents, and teachers, the school has heightened its role in helping people live healthy and achieving a drug-free community.